The BC PSLS Recommendations module enables users to electronically organize and track recommendations from various types of formal patient safety reports, such as patient safety event review reports, coroner reports, accreditation reports, etc. In this video, we will provide you with information on how to create a new record in the Recommendations module for a patient safety review report, though many of the principles can be applied to other types of reports. To locate the Recommendations module, log in to the BC PSLS by entering your username and password. Click on the Recommendations bar in the main menu to open the module. Click on Add a New Review Report to open a new record. This first screen is entitled Review Report. You will see that your health authority has been pre-populated on the record. If your health authority has location or program fields, complete the relevant fields related to your report in accordance with your health authority's guidelines. Completing the fields in the order in which they are displayed will enable you to more easily locate your selections. Next, complete the name and reference information section of this record. The drop-down list under Type of Report will provide you with examples of formal reports which could be entered into the Recommendations module. Depending on your selection, various other fields may become visible. In our case, we will be selecting Patient Safety Review Report. The reference field is utilized to title the report to assist individuals to easily identify and locate records in the system. For external reports, such as a coroner's report, use the reference number provided with the report. For internal reports, such as our Patient Safety Review Report, you will need to create a reference number for your report. The reference is a unique identifier or code for the report which will enable users to quickly identify the report at a glance. Each health authority has an approved format for developing the reference. Items used may include a combination of the type of report, the agency, site or facility, the year or date of the event, the PSLS event number, or the initials of the person or patient involved. Each identifier used to create the reference should be separated by a hyphen. The reference field has a maximum of 33 characters. Let's type in a reference according to our fictitious health authority's approved format. For this health authority, the format may be agency where the event occurred, and the code for the agency will be BCW. Enter a hyphen. The type of report, which is a patient safety review report whose code may be PSR, and a hyphen. The date of the event, year, month, and day, each separated by a hyphen. For example, 2012-09-15. The patient involved initials, which could be JD for Jane Doe. Next, enter a title for the report, which should provide adequate information about the focus of the report at a glance. An example may be fentanyl overdose in a post-operative patient on the ward. For purposes of this video, I have previously typed the title in our report and will paste it into the field. Check with your health authority if there are guidelines for this field. The status field has 5 options. Depending on your selection, various additional fields will become visible. The new review report status is when the review report record has been created in anticipation of the commencement of a patient safety review. Pending status is used when the activities of the review are underway, but the final report from the review committee has not yet been completed. Once the review report has been completed, the status should change to the open status. The review report record will remain open until all recommendations from the review report are completed, and the report status will change to closed. We will select New Review Report. The file handler is usually a quality consultant, quality or safety leader, or other person who oversees the handling of this file. This person may be a facilitator of the review. If there is a long list of individuals in your list, to quickly locate the name of the individual, open the drop-down box and start typing the individual's surname. As you type, the system will take you to the portion of the drop-down list closest to the letters you have entered. Make your selection. If your health authority is utilizing the process tracking screen, it will be visible in the navigation panel on the left side of the screen. This screen contains information